My name is Professor S. Ramkumar, and I am here to tell you about this interesting new program we have developed at the IIM Raipur. It's a certificate program on entrepreneurship that is physical, on-campus, non-residential 3-month program. It is interesting because of 3 things: the way it approaches the subject, second is the language and the delivery, and the third is the inspiration that made us put this program together. So let me start with the first part, the program's 3 basic points. Typically when entrepreneurs, with all their passion and effort, make something, this is what the end product looks like. Neither what they wanted nor what the customer was looking for. In our program, what we do is we start with the basics of business, and we work on marketing, we work on finance, we work on accounts, we work on operations, production, R&D, all the basic things that are necessary to start a business. Not the technical textbook case study type of stuff, but the real stuff that real businesses need to run day-to-day operations. At the second level, we look at what we call legal, regulatory and compliance, which is to do with your invoicing, which is to do with your logistics, which is to do with how you hire a shop, how you hire employees, all the small legal, regulatory and compliance things like GST and income tax and labor laws that go into making a business on a daily basis, not huge theory. At the third level, we look at how we put together a business plan, how we make how we bulletproof the business plan, how do we present it to investors or even employees. Those are the 3 sections in our course: the basics of business, legal, regulatory and compliance, and third is the actual business ecosystem itself, entrepreneurial ecosystem. So at the end of 3 months, you have an absolutely bulletproof plan that you can present to investors, employees, whoever. दूसरी बात यह है कि जब एंटरप्रेन्योरशिप की बात चलती है तो एंटरप्रेन्योरशिप बिजनेस का हो सकता है, एनजीओ हो सकता है, सोशल एंटरप्रेन्योरशिप हो सकता है, म्यूजिक, आर्ट्स, कोई भी चीज में हो सकता है. लेकिन जहां पे भी आप एंटरप्रेन्योरल एफर्ट कर रहे हो, इस चीज की जरूरत तो पड़ती ही है. एंड गवर्नमेंट भी कहती है इसमें 14 लैंग्वेज यहाँ लिखे हैं और यहाँ पे हिंदी भी है और इंग्लिश भी है, क्योंकि यही भाषाएं जो है मार्केट भी बात करती है, यही भाषा में जो है कस्टमर भी बात करते हैं और यही भाषा में हम भी बात करेंगे. తమిళ్ में भी बात करेंगे, तमिळ पेसोम, मलयाळीतले संसारिक्याम, तेलुगुले माట్లాడతాం, गुजराती में अपन बात करीसु, इंग्लिश और हिंदी तो होगा ही. तो लैंग्वेज का कोई प्रॉब्लम आपको इस कोर्स में बिल्कुल नहीं आएगा. माय कलीग्स एंड आई, the top professors of IIM Raipur as well as from outside, we were delighted to contribute to this course and make it interesting, fun and a stress-free learning experience for you. The last thing I want to talk to you about is our inspiration. जब हम शिकारी की बात करते हैं तो टाइगर, लेपर्ड, जैगुआर, चीता, लायन, ये सब हमारे मन में आते हैं. लेकिन साइंस कहता है कि इन सब शिकारियों का सक्सेस रेट 50 से 55% के ऊपर कभी ज्यादा जाता नहीं है. इतना ही है उनका सक्सेस रेट. लेकिन अपने छत्तीसगढ़ के अंदर एक छोटा सा शिकारी है, इसको तो जानते ही होंगे, आप रोज देखते होंगे लेकिन आपने पहचाना नहीं होगा. इसका सक्सेस रेट 90 से 90 to 95% होता है. So our inspiration is this little hunter, and we hope that our certificate program in entrepreneurship, again to reiterate, physical, in-campus, non-residential program जो हमारा है, we hope it will make all of us successful hunters. Thank you very much and hope to see you soon.